After months of leaks, Call of Duty Vanguard is finally official. After a year of game delay after game delay after game delay after game delay, we're thankful for our old faithful Call of Duty that we can rely on. And this year Call of Duty returns with Vanguard. We'll be taking a step back in time as Vanguard returns to World War II, placing you in the shoes of 4 separate playable characters as they fight the Axis forces on several fronts. Vanguard will also be implemented into the Warzone metaverse, whatever that means, but basically it's more of the Call of Duty that we've all come to know and love. The major takeaway from this trailer is that it features one of the most brilliantly, hilariously nonsense video game dialogue lines of all time. Enjoy.
Sometimes, the only way to put out the flames is with more fire.
This week, Tech Radar got to try out a brand new Far Cry game with an interesting VR twist. So let's throw over to Past Me to tell you all about it. Far Cry VR Dive Into Insanity is a free-roaming VR experience that's being hosted at zero-latency virtual reality locations around the globe. Returning to Far Cry 3's Rock Island, you and a gang of up to 7 pals find yourself captured by the villainous Vass, and must work together to blast your way out of the pirates' clutches. At zero latency, you've got roughly the space of a tennis court to run around in, with the headset UI smartly warning you if you're approaching real-world walls or another player. In terms of full motion and immersive movement, it's about as good as VR gets. Dive Into Insanity does a good job of recreating the visual feel of Far Cry's 3rd installment, chock full of lush jungles, bandana-wearing pirates, rusty container sheds, and exploding barrels. There's even a hallucinogenic shootout in a mysterious cavern. If we're honest, it's a bit of a Far Cry from a Far Cry game then, but it's an excellent showcase for social VR gaming, and a fantastic way to get hyped up for Far Cry 6. Unfortunately, you can only play this game if you're willing to head off to one of Zero Latency's many locations. And while the internet seemed excited about the prospect of meeting Vass in VR, I think everybody's thoughts was pretty much summed up by CS here. They said hopefully Ubisoft will launch VR at home one day and continue this great game for much longer. Well, CS, I had a blast playing the game, so I'll keep my fingers crossed for you. And finally this week we got some free Cyberpunk 2077 DLC. But is that enough to pull you back into the world of Night City? The free DLC comes bundled with a 1.3 patch that is live right now. Additions include a couple of nice new jackets for your player character V and a new car skin. But the big one is the alternative look for the ever-present Johnny Silverhand, played by Keanu Reeves. His new look can be activated in the additional content tab of the main menu, and gives Johnny a freshly chopped hairdo and an unbuttoned black jacket. The new jackets and cars are nice, but CD Projekt Red, if you're watching this, and I know you are, just give me the Keanu Reeves makeover simulator that we've all been longing for. Please. I've been Matt Phillips, this has been Totally Rated, and I'll see you on the next one.